My philosophy is very, very simple. That CCTV by itself is not enough. It has not been enough, and it will never be enough. All I am asking you to do is, along with CCTV, along with the fancy systems that you may have suggested to your organizations and deployed at your organizations, along with that, please bring in the angle of three things. Audit CCTV as a standard operating procedure. Please audit. I don't need to tell a bank what is auditing. I don't need to tell this audience that all the recent scams in our country that took place and were discovered were all discovered in an audit process. Auditing, by the way it is not meant to discover and prevent something in real time. You cannot prevent everything in real time. But auditing allows you to take corrective and preventive action. That is how crime will come down. That is how losses will come down. Because everything that you don't see is being seen by the cameras. That is number one. So audit. If you can audit, audit daily. If you can't audit daily, audit every 2 days, audit every 3 days, but audit. Please audit. Number two, please create a backup mechanism, a simple backup mechanism, so that if your recorder is stolen, if your recorder is destroyed, if your recorder is tampered with by an insider, and I think Sir spoke about an insider job. 2 or 3 slides he was speaking about an insider job. Corrupt people, and you cannot take them away. You will have backup which cannot be touched. And you need to have a mechanism to report. You must have standardization to report. And I presented a paper to Interpol that when crime and criminals and policing do not differ by geography, why is the world not standardizing things? We don't have time to experiment working in silos. You may have video coming from different sources, but finally what is it? You may have an iPhone, you may have Samsung, you may have LG, but finally it is video, finally it is picture, finally it is a phone. You need to do something with it. तो standardize करो. अब ये देखिए, ये हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर है. We have Bank of India, we have State Bank of India, we have Bank of Baroda, we have HDFC Bank, we have ICICI Bank, we have Axis Bank, we have Punjab National Bank, we have Union Bank, we have Canara Bank. Captain, what is common? The software. If every bank of this country adopts this, believe me, your problems will start coming down to a great extent. Because suddenly, those cameras that you have fitted, which are currently in sleep mode, they are in sleep mode because nobody is looking at them, therefore they are in sleep mode. And half the time you don't even know, there is no mechanism to tell you that those cameras are not working. And often this has happened with the police, that when they go to the scene of crime, या तो recorder नहीं होता है, या कहते हैं कि सर ये तो हमारा कैमरा बंद था और हमको पता नहीं कब से बंद था. कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है और ये कॉमन प्रॉब्लम नहीं जाने वाला है. उसकी जगह पे सीधा सादा सॉल्यूशन डिप्लॉय कीजिए. बेसिक हमारा सॉल्यूशन डिप्लॉय कीजिए. ऑडिट अगर आप नहीं करना चाहते मत कीजिए, तो बैकअप कीजिए. बैकअप के साथ साथ रिपोर्टिंग कीजिए. Make use of your CCTV systems, Captain, and don't deploy these CCTV systems just because Reserve Bank of India has told you, just because the police is telling you. You should do it because it should be done, not because somebody else has told you. Auditing backup and reporting must become an integral part of CCTV surveillance. Kyunki today CCTV surveillance as we know it is incomplete. And I can assure you that this made in India product will become a global de facto part of CCTV surveillance across the world. Did any of you expect the demonetization? Nobody expected demonetization. So suddenly it hit the entire country. So do you know what can be next? Suppose auditing, backup and reporting becomes compulsory, kya karoge? There you go. So why don't you follow it now? Do you not follow it because it's very difficult? Do you not follow it because there is going to be money? What is the reason not to follow? If somebody puts pressure on you, you will follow it. Tomorrow if the police looks at it and decides that no, this is a damn good solution. Auditing, I am not talking about my software. I am talking about the philosophy of auditing. If tomorrow, like in Dubai, sir, Dubai, you cannot even fit a camera without asking the police. They certify that this is the number of cameras that you have to have. In our country, the unfortunate part is that it is a law in some states, including Maharashtra if I am not mistaken, that if you have X number of footfalls in a place, you must have cameras. But there is no law that the camera should be working. Now you tell me, if there is no such law, how will you get effectiveness? So tomorrow if there is a law, you're going to have to do it. See what Axis Bank has done after the demonetization. Because they were affected party. First thing that they did was they appointed KPMG to suggest best practices. And some of the KPMG, what they were told to look at their video to see who came with large money bags and so on and so forth. KPMG could not do it because they had the same challenges which you face, which Captain Sanjay Joshi mentioned in the morning, that's very difficult to handle video. And guess who helped KPMG? Our software. Now take a look at some of the challenges. And you spoke about these challenges. Video is recorded by a channel by channel by channel by channel. How will you give all this data from 8th November to 31st December to RBI or to the Finance Ministry? And how do you know what is going to be the kind of quality when you give it to them? Because you cannot check whether the device has actually worked, whether the recording has actually stayed there. And you mentioned that आप लोग DVR में से हार्ड ड्राइव निकाल दोगे और उसको अच्छी तरह से रख के कबाट में रख दोगे, मगर ब्रांच मैनेजर्स कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. किसी ने वो हार्ड ड्राइव को अच्छी तरह से हैंडल नहीं किया, गिरा दिया, तो गया आपका डेटा. Hard drives are known to fail, so you can't wait to check after 6 months, 8 months. How do you know what is going to be the quality? So ideal situation is you should store your data as a single image. आप जो 4 चैनल स्टोर करते हो उसकी जगह में सिंगल इमेज में स्टोर करो. 4 कैमरा है 4 स्टोर करो, 9 कैमरा है 9 स्टोर करो. एक ही इमेज में 9 कैमरा, एक इमेज में एक स्टोरी आ गई, सारी स्टोरी आपकी बैंक की आ गई एक ही इमेज में. डेटा साइज कितना कम हो गया कैप्टन? ड्रास्टिक रिडक्शन ऑफ डेटा साइज. Some banks have actually deleted the footage, cooperative banks, of जानबूझ के, और एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टर पीछे पड़ा है. और तकलीफ किसको होगी? मैनेजमेंट को. Police is going to ask them, or the law enforcement will ask them, or the finance ministry will ask them, and who is going to be responsible? Who knows? The management. CCTV में से ये 3 आउटकम मिलने चाहिए. Crime and loss prevention, process improvement, and in case of a crime, you should be able to solve it faster. तभी जाके CCTV का फायदा होगा. आप हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर लगाइए या ऑडिटिंग शुरू कीजिए, आपका इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम कम हो जाएगा. यहां पर ऐसा कोई है कि जो गाड़ी का इंश्योरेंस रिन्यूअल कराता है और वो 40% नो क्लेम बोनस नहीं लेता है? कोई है? Everybody wants to take the 40% no claim bonus. So why don't you deploy systems that will actually bring down your insurance? Insurance doesn't come free of charge. आप प्रीमियम भरते हो इंश्योरेंस के लिए, and there is a science behind how they charge insurance. It's all based on your past record. So if you deploy technology that can actually bring down your crime and losses, your insurance premium can go down. So you took me seriously. But what if I actually gave it to you for free? With conditions applied. So every bank sitting here, what if you got a basic version of ComServe for free, जो आपका बैकअप कर देगा, जो आपका 24 घंटे का वीडियो 24 मिनट में दिखा देगा, और जो आपको एक क्लिक में पावर पॉइंट बना देगा और मुफ्त में मिलेगा, कंडीशंस अप्लाई। फिर आप लोगे 5100 ब्रांचेस में मेरा सॉफ्टवेयर फ्री। कैन वी साइन?
I think I'll have to read the fine print.
बड़ा फाइन प्रिंट, कंडीशंस अप्लाई एक ही लिखा है मैंने, बस उसमें इससे ज्यादा कोई फाइन प्रिंट नहीं है। बट दिस इज अ सीरियस ऑफर, आई टेल यू व्हाई। आई थिंक Mr. Prasad should be aware of a social responsibility that we had announced. And I think this is also becoming a social responsibility, that because banks are not paying it, let me make it social. We have announced, sir, that our software is free to deploy at all places of worship across the world. Free. Why? Especially in a country like India. Why? Because if there is an attack at religion A, the repercussions are across the country. Religion B, the repercussions can be global. So if we can be of help, we want to be of help. We want this particular made in India product to be able to help the globe. And if that means that I have to give you something for free with conditions apply, I am very happy to do it. So take this offer as a serious offer for all banks who are sitting here. Make use of it. What are we? We are the world's first and only CCTV video auditing, backup and incident reporting system, all combined as one solution. We work with all cameras and all video management systems. So we don't replace anybody. We are a friend to all camera companies. We are a friend to those 2 camera companies outside and to the 1000 camera companies that are in China. We want to be the common platform. आप वीडियो कहीं मर्जी से ले आइए, सीन ऑफ क्राइम पे जाके फोटो खींचिए, सीन ऑफ क्राइम पे जाके वीडियो लीजिए, आवर सॉफ्टवेयर विल वर्क। Finally, I just want to talk about how the world is not standardizing anything. आप गूगल कीजिए सीसीटीवी साइनेज, 500 साइंस मिलेगी ऐसी, और फिर भी क्राइम होता है। अभी इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ साइंस, why don't you have this kind of sign at your organizations across India? One color, one look, just change the language, not the message. We check CCTV every day. हिंदी में लिखो, मराठी में लिखो, गुजराती में लिखो, बंगाली में लिखो, ओरिया में लिखो, मगर मैसेज एक रखो, कलर एक रखो, साइज एक रखो। फिर जो पोटेंशियल क्रिमिनल है उसको नहीं पता आप चेक करते हो कि नहीं करते हो, बट आप कहते हो कि आप चेक कर रहे हो, और इससे इतनी आसानी पुलिस के लिए हो जाएगी। यू विल कंट्रीब्यूट टू रियल कम्युनिटी पुलिसिंग इफ एवरीबडी स्टार्ट्स चेकिंग, बिकॉज ऑल दोज आईज विल वेक अप which are currently closed, and currently some of my friends are only waiting for an alert system to tell me कि यहां मेरे यहां कोई आ गया। ठीक है, चलेगा, मैं ना नहीं कहता, मगर अलर्ट सिस्टम में इतना याद रखिए कि इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड और एक्सेप्टेंस है कि 90% ऑफ द अलर्ट्स आर फॉल्स. So what do people do? They finally turn off the alerts. Man behind the gun sochiye. There are many people from the armed forces here in this room, and here I have one person from the police. Can you take a gun, sir, which will be automatic in nature, and the gun will decide when it should fire? Case rested. और क्या कहना है मुझे? Use technology up to its level. You cannot take human intervention away. Bring human analysis and artificial analysis together. Final slide, proudly made in India. स्वच्छता से सुरक्षा तक ये सॉफ्टवेयर आपको काम आएगा 100%. As I always say, see what the camera saw. कैमरा ने जो देखा वो आप देखिए. आज नहीं देख रहे हो क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल है. एंड आई कैन टेल यू, बॉस्टन बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट में सर, पुलिस हैड टू सी 15,000 hours of video. In Toronto riots, police had to see 40,000 hours of video. In the UK riots, 200,000 of video. And in a chain snatching case, I know investigating officer की बेचारे की तकलीफ, बिकॉज उसको प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व करना है. इसलिए दुकान पे जाके वीडियो लाना पड़ता है, पुलिस स्टेशन पे लेके जाना पड़ता है, उसको मिक्स एंड मैच करना पड़ता है. आधे कैमरे चलते नहीं, आधा उसका कंप्यूटर नहीं चलता है. इट्स अ नाइटमेयर एंड वी एक्सपेक्ट देम टू सॉल्व दैट चेन स्नैचिंग केस एज वेल. Our software will do all this work in a few clicks. So thank you very much, and thanks for your patient listening. I'm happy to take any questions if there is time.